Hello everyone, I myself KVR Bhavat. Now I am going to discuss about transposition techniques in classic encryption techniques. So first of all, what is encryption means? The conversion of plain text into the ciphertext is known as encryption. So the study of encryption is known as cryptography. In this cryptography, there are several encryption techniques are present. In those, the transposition technique is present. And why we have to use encryption techniques means when a sender wants to send a data to the receiver, in this process a third party or unauthorized person may occur and do some operations on the data. So, to avoid those operations, the encryption process is likely to be happen. And when compared to substitution techniques, in transposition techniques, we just rearrange the plain text group of characters with themselves to convert it into the ciphertext. In substitution techniques, we replace the plain text characters with ciphertext characters to convert it into the ciphertext. So, while coming to the transposition techniques introduction, the transposition technique is a cryptographic technique that converts the plain text to the ciphertext by performing permutations on plain text, that is changing each character of the plain text for each round. Means, as I said earlier, it is a transposition technique is a cryptographic technique that converts the plain text to the ciphertext by performing permutations of plain text. So in this transposition techniques, there are two types of techniques present. First one is rail fence ciphertext technique, and second one is columnar encryption. And when we coming to rail fence technique, rail fence is the simple transposition technique that involves writing plain text as a sequence of diagonals and then reading it row by row to produce the ciphertext. So in rail fence technique, we just take the plain text and we will write it as a diagonals and we will read it by row and we will convert it into the ciphertext. So in this reference technique, the algorithm is first we have to write all the characters of the plain text in a sequence of diagonals, and next we have to read all the plain text in a sequence of rows to convert it into the cipher. Flow will deeply understood it by looking it on an example. When we come to the example, given below is a plain text. This is a secret message is a plain text given for us and we have to convert it into the cipher text. And here they given two keys to convert it into the ciphertext. And key plays a major role in the encryption process. And based on this key only, we will divide number of rows of encryption process. And here a note is also given. So neglect spaces when encrypting. So what is this means? Here the space between these words should be neglected. Means we have to group all these words into the group of characters. So now we will go to the solution part. So here's the plain text, and as I said earlier, we have to make group of words into the group of characters. In this process, so here is a key equals to 3 for the first question, and here we have to arrange 3 rows here because they are given key equals to 3. So number of rows equals to key and number of columns equals to number of characters present in the plain text. So number of columns are divided based on the plain text and number of rows are divided based on the key. So after dividing number of columns and number of rows, we have to arrange the plain text into the diagnosis. So here is the diagnosis EHISISAS. Like this, we have to arrange this plain text to convert it to the ciphertext, and we have to read it by row as I mentioned in the algorithm. So we have to read it by row. So when we go to first row, DIETSHSSS CEMSAES and when we go to third row, IAREG. So here is the final ciphertext mentioned as I take the row by row process. So when we go to the second part, so when we take key equals to 4, here plain text is same and key equals to 4. As I mentioned earlier, number of rows equals to number given to the key, means number of rows based on key. So after arranging number of rows as 4 and number of columns as 20, so we have to arrange it as diagonal way. So when we arrange like this, THIS, so read it row by row. When we go to the first row, TATG, so this is the ciphertext, final ciphertext to the plain text. We converted using encryption process. So this is the rail-fence technique, cipher technique. So here we converted the plain text into the ciphertext by using the key and using the diagonal process. So when we come to the columnar encryption technique, so here in this process we will be produced a plain text message and a numeric key, and we have to convert it to the ciphertext using columnar transposition technique. So the columnar transposition technique is a form of transposition cipher just like rail-fence technique. Means in the rail-fence technique we arrange the plain text in diagonal way and we read it as sequence of rows. Here we will arrange the plain text as number of rows and then we read the ciphertext in the column one by one. So here in this process numeric key plays a major role. So here is the algorithm. The message is written out in number of rows of a fixed length and then read out again column by column, and the columns are chosen in some scrambled order. So here the given message means the plain text is written in a number of rows of a fixed length and read out again column by column. With the width of the rows and the permutation of the columns are usually defined by the keyword. Here, as I said, the keyword plays a major role, and based on the keyword, the number of rows are deeply decided. So coming to the fourth point, any spare spaces are filled with nulls or left blank are to be placed with a special character or X, like X. So coming to the last point, finally the message is read off in columns in the order specified by the key. And I could deeply go to the example, then you will be understand clear. So coming to the example, two friends Chandler Bling and Rachel Green wants to communicate anonymously. Help them in encrypting the plain text into the ciphertext using columnar encryption technique. So here the given plain text is do not Google it and the key is fake. So firstly we have to remove spaces. As I mentioned in the rail-fence technique, we have to remove spaces and make these group of words into the group of characters. So here is the key FAKE. As I said in the algorithm, we have to arrange this FAKE in alphabetical order and we have to mention it in the, so means 3, 1, 4, 2 is the order of the key. So here is the encryption process. Given text is do not Google it, we have to mention it as a group of characters and the keyword is fake and the length of the keyword is 4 and the order of the alphabets is 3, 1, 4, 2 as I mentioned earlier. So firstly we have to write the 4 letters are present in the FAK, means length of the keyword is 4. So arrange the key as like this and arrange the order as, so 3, 1, 4, 2 is the order given to the key based on the alphabetical order. So next arrange the plain text as row based. So here write the plain text row wise, do not Google it. So the left blank spots are filled with the special character X or any other character as you wish, and then read the ciphertext as the column based the alphabetical order. So here take the part of the ciphertext as A because it is the first letter in the alphabetical order. So O G L X, and next E because it is number 2, and O I X here is same, and next 3 F D T G T, and next at last for K because it is numbered as 4, and the ciphertext is NOEX. So this is the final ciphertext. It will based on the encryption process we have done. So at last, so what we discussed in this video is, first of all, encryption technique and transposition technique. Means transposition technique is one of the techniques present in classic encryption techniques, and what takes place in transposition technique means the plain text is rearranged with itself and produced as ciphertext, and when we perform encryption process to it. And in transposition techniques, there are two types of techniques present. One is rail fence technique, and second one is columnar encryption transposition technique. And these are the encryption techniques. Thank you.